Artificial Intelligence Tradingview Indicator. Tradingview Review. Over 30 million traders and investors use Tradingview, the market-leading charting software, each month. One of the greatest stock screeners and the best stock research tools, according to many, is Tradingview. Tradingview. Is it worth it? We believe it is. You may read our Tradingview review to learn about all the features and functions. We also go through how to use Tradingview for free while still saving up to 50% on subscription plans. Features. The Tradingview features are some of the most advanced and comprehensive in the whole trading, investing, and platforms for analysis. The basic plan has a number of free features that can be used. However, whenever you want more functions, such as several charts, a subscription plan like Pro, Pro Plus, or Premium makes sense. Sophisticated chart kinds, real-time market data, numerous periods, bespoke time intervals, and data exports are some examples. Tradingview also provides longer trading hours, personalized scanning based on your trading methods, and a fantastic community. Tradingview operates on a browser. Both a desktop software installation and a mobile app are accessible versions on any device. Let's examine the top qualities in more detail. Charts. With sophisticated charting tools and analytical capabilities, Tradingview is a platform with a technical analysis focus. Different chart formats, time periods, technical indicators, trade volume information, and research tools are available for users to select from. Users can also employ strong sketching tools and alternate between a bright and dark mode for visualization. You can open just one chart while using Tradingview Basic. Additionally, Tradingview Premium allows up to 8 charts running concurrently on one screen, each with a separate stock symbol. Periodical patterns and technological indicators. Pro subscribers can set and export the chart data. Customizable time intervals from monthly charts to 1-minute charts, and you may also utilize second-based time intervals for premium subscribers. Users also get direct access to live trading tools, and they may trade immediately from charts via broker interfaces. The Tradingview desktop platform goes much farther, offering more strength, speed, and adaptability. Traders can use the desktop platform's inbuilt multi-monitor functionality and create multiple tabs that can contain numerous charts. One layout can be created for each monitor. For instance, if a trader has 6 displays, each layout may display different data and charts. Every plan comes with access to more than 90 drawing tools. These include of patterns and trends, geometric forms. Annotations and patterns aid investors in better comprehending the technical components of the markets. Trading indicators. There are hundreds of trade indicators available, from common ones like moving averages, as well as candlestick pattern identification, volume profile, and VWAP to volume indicators. For Fibonacci extensions and retracements, there are even automatic trend lines. And if that's still not enough, users may utilize Tradingview's scripting language to create their own custom indicators. Comparable technical analysis tools cannot compare to Tradingview's number of indicators. Fundamental data on charts. Users may easily visualize essential data from income statements, which is a neat feature. Charts showing data, cash flow measures, and balance sheets. You might, for instance, take a chart from Apple and add data like gross profit, revenue. To a chart window are EPS forecasts, dividend yield, and thousands of more statistics. In this manner, you may rapidly assess how the market behaved following earnings reports and corporate news. Stock, FX, and cryptocurrency screeners were added into Tradingview. The drop-down option in the lower left corner can be used to open a screener. These screeners allow users to scan the market based on factors such as performance, value, dividends, margins, etc. Information from the income statement, balance sheet data, oscillators, and more. Time periods. The results may also be filtered, and warnings can be added. Finally, the data may be exported as a CSV file for those who wish to manipulate it outside of Tradingview. Heat maps. The stock heat map and the cryptocurrency heat map are useful tools for identifying the largest movers and movers up. For instance, you might provide a heat map for performance over the previous 4 hours. Additionally, a filter based on monetary data, such as market capitalization, daily volume, personnel, dividend yield, and other factors. Additionally, the heat map may display the largest gappers that go up and down, the most volatile stocks, and relative volume ratios monthly 30 million. Users include a sizable community of traders, investors, and financial professionals. Novice investors. Advanced users and even seasoned traders are aware of the advantages of such a fantastic community to ask inquiries, trade day trading ideas, or discuss current financial trends. Snaps is a built-in feature of TradingView. Users' most recent market news is displayed here, along with daily stock and cryptocurrency snapshots. The news flow function also feeds the most recent news from major investing sites including Reuters. For investing categories including stocks, cryptocurrencies, FX, indices, futures, bonds, and the global economy, check out Investor Place and Seeking Alpha. Server-side alerts. Do you want to establish price alerts for your preferred stocks at particular levels? TradingView allows you to. The free TradingView Basic enables one alert with a few mouse clicks. There are 20 server-side notifications in the Pro Edition, 100 in Pro Plus, and 400 in Premium. The ability to set such alerts to a certain price as well as indicators, trading systems, or even drawings is a useful tool. You are informed once an alert is generated by email to SMS notifications, graphic pop-ups, push alerts, email, webhook notifications, audio signals, etc. Broker integration. TradingView works with a number of brokerage systems. Customers can link there. Trading may be done straight from the TradingView platform using a brokerage trading platform. 12 brokerage connections are supported by TradingView through API, including Interactive Brokers, TradeStation, Easy Markets, Forex.com, WH Self Invest, FXCM, Saxo, Capital.com, OANDA, Tradeovate, 8cap, Pepperstone, Capital.com, Saxo, and OANDA. Paper Trading Simulator. Paper trading enables you to practice trading and investing with fictitious funds. By executing buy and sell orders without taking any risks, a paper trading account enables you to mimic trading choices. Simulated trading enables the testing of novel trading concepts and tactics. For instance, using the buy and sell buttons on the chart, fresh trading ideas may be evaluated by purchasing and selling. The $100,000 beginning balance for paper trading can be changed at any time under account settings. The platform allows you to customize how open jobs and new orders are displayed. For instance, you can see arrows or lines at the precise moment when an order was initiated and placed. In addition, a list of open orders and positions is displayed in the trading panel at the bottom of a chart. On the chart and trading panel, open orders may be easily updated, closed, or canceled. Rating view plans. The TradingView plans that traders and investors may select from will now be explained and contrasted. Here, we concentrate on the benefits of each plan, while TradingView pricing follows. Describes and contrasts the costs associated with each subscription plan. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.